Everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I will explain you how the price of natural gas has moved and how the price of natural gas can move on Monday. See, if you look at the chart of natural gas, what we have seen after 2022, there is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and this upside was quite high and it is quite volatile, as you can see looking at this particular chart. It made a high of around $5.2. After that it went 3-4 times high. Okay, but pattern forming at this particular level. What this pattern says that whenever it hits its previous high, we have seen a sharp fall come, and this sharp fall is about 30, 40, even 50%. Okay, after this what you have seen, this level has not touched since. What we have seen that only when a swing form, that is where it tries to move upside. As you can see, these swings are forming, but it does not sustain. So overall trend is downside, but it is moving in a volatile range. So you have to understand here is that the overall trend is downside and a probability of going further down is there, because this level we have not seen since of March of 2021. Okay, now it is moving in this particular zone. Chances are high if this level goes further below around $2.2, then it will come again in this particular zone. Before we move forward and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next Monday, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full videos. You understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, so chances are high if this level didn't sustain. This is a 2 hour chart I'm showing you. So probability is high. We can see the next support coming at around $2.2. Okay, after this level falls. So once it moves below this particular zone, then we can see it can come down again to its next resistance of $2.056. Suppose if the price fall below $2, then chances are very high that it can go further low towards a level of $1.85, and from there we can see it can go further low towards a level of $1.536. Keep this in mind that there is chances we can see a bounce back can come, but if it goes below this level, we can see a level of 1.85 to a level of 1.536. Okay, so now if a bounce back come from $2.05 or a bounce back come from this particular zone, you have to understand that you should not blindly follow that the market is going up or down. Okay, trend you can trend you can see that where is the trend is going, but always set your SL and targets. Okay, if the volatility is high, try to reduce the quantity, increase your SL and target, so that your target should be hit rather than hitting your SL. What people do is they small target and small SL, so it hits the post, but it hits SL first. Okay, now what you can see looking at this particular chart, suppose a swing form at this particular level, or if this level sustain, what we can see, it can go further upside to its next support of around next resistance of around $2.608, and from there we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.803. $2.803 is a weak resistance as well as 2.6, so chances are very high we can see it can go towards a level of around $2.9, and from there we can see a level of $3.128. Okay, and once the price move over that particular zone, it can touch a level of around $3.32, and from there we can see it can go further high towards a level of around $3.48. Okay, now suppose if the price sustain above that particular zone, chances of touching $3.5 is there, and once the price sustain above 3.5, then we can see it can move further upside. So you have to keep this in mind. Once it sustain above 3.5, chances of going further high will be there, and it can cross a level of $3.8 to a level of 3.9, and once it sustain 3.9, chances of touching $4.1 is there, and this gap theory will be occurring on this particular zone. Chances are high if it sustain above this level, chances of touching 4.3 will be on higher side, and then we can see it can touch this zone and then further upside if the price sustain. Okay, and I've already explained you the price move below this particular zone. What people do, what mistake people are doing when they trade or invest. Okay, they don't understand the trend. You always follow the trend. This is what I teach. Always don't rely on the news or anything. Okay, check the data, where the price is going, where the data is telling you. Okay, this is what most of the traders do. They follow the data, not the news and all. Okay, so suppose what most of the traders or do mistakes, they lose money. 90% of the traders lose money. So what I teach in my workshop, suppose if you are trading with $10,000, try to trade with 10 to 15% of capital per trade, that is 1,000 to 1,500. Risk of 0.5 to 1%, that is $50 to $100. Now suppose if you took 5 trades, maximum loss you can see is $500. Okay, that is 100 per trade. Okay, now this Now this 100 per trade is the maximum you can take for a particular trade. So if you lose all 500, that means all 5 trades maximum loss will be 500. It will not affect your psychology. Okay, so this is what people do. They lose so much money, and in term of recovering this, they lose their full capital. Okay, so I teach how to overcome all these things. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that and we can work out on the timing. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.